The production process begins with the arrival of premium shelled hazelnuts. Large transport trucks deliver the raw ingredients directly to the automated manufacturing facility. These raw hazelnuts are temporarily stored in massive stainless steel hoppers. From here, an automated bucket elevator lifts them to begin the continuous sorting process.
The nuts first flow over a vibratory destoning machine. This shaking table uses gravity and airflow to separate any remaining small stones or shell fragments.
An advanced optical sorter scans the raw hazelnuts. Air jets immediately eject them. The approved hazelnuts enter a massive rotary roasting drum. Inside, they are continuously tumbled in hot air to develop their signature rich flavor and aroma. After reaching the perfect roast, the hot nuts exit onto a perforated cooling conveyor. Large fans push ambient air through the belt to halt the roasting process.
The cooling process loosens the bitter skins. The nuts then pass through a friction blanching machine, where soft rubber rollers gently rub away the dark outer skins.
Now perfectly peeled, the hazelnuts pass through a second optical sorter. This machine ensures that every single nut has achieved the exact golden brown roasting standard.
The roasted nuts slide over calibrated grating sieves. This step separates the perfect, large whole nuts, which will become the center of the product, from the smaller ones.
The smaller hazelnuts are diverted into industrial cutting machines. High-speed blades dice them. Massive industrial mixers combine pure wheat flour, water, and fine sugar to create a perfectly smooth, liquid wafer batter. This liquid batter is pumped onto heavy cast iron baking plates. These heated plates are mechanically engraved with hundreds of precise, half-sphere molds. The heavy iron plates lock together and travel slowly through a massive tunnel oven. Extreme heat instantly bakes the batter into thin, crispy half-spheres. As the plates exit the oven, they open automatically. Mechanical extractors gently lift out continuous sheets. Meanwhile, the rich filling is prepared. High-capacity conching machines continuously blend cocoa, sugar, and hazelnut paste into a smooth, velvety chocolate cream. The baked wafer sheets travel beneath a synchronized dosing machine. Rows of precise metal nozzles inject warm chocolate cream into every single half-sphere. Immediately following the filling station, an automated hopper drops exactly one whole, premium roasted hazelnut directly into the center of the liquid cream. A second sheet of wafer halves, also filled with chocolate cream, is robotically inverted. The machine carefully aligns it directly over the bottom layer. A mechanical stamp presses the two sheets together. The soft cream from both halves merges. This creates a perfect internal seal around the central hazelnut. The sealed wafer sheets pass under high-precision circular blades. These automated saws cut through the flat connecting edges, releasing individual, perfect spheres. The newly cut wafer spheres pass over a vibrating mesh conveyor. Gentle air jets blow away any loose wafer crumbs to ensure a clean surface for the chocolate. The spheres then enter a rapid cooling tunnel. Chilled air circulates around them, solidifying the warm hazelnut cream inside to maintain perfect structural integrity.
Next, the cooled spheres travel through a primary enrobing machine. A continuous waterfall of pure, liquid milk chocolate coats the bare wafer, sealing in freshness.
A secondary cooling tunnel quickly hardens this base layer of chocolate. This smooth base coat prevents the wafer from absorbing moisture from the final thick coating. In a separate mixing vessel, molten milk chocolate is combined with the chopped hazelnuts prepared earlier. This thick, nutty mixture is kept at a precise temperature. The base-coated spheres pass through the final enrobing station, creating their iconic textured shell.
Immediately after coating, an industrial air blower gently removes any excess chocolate. This ensures an even, consistent outer layer and prevents the candies from pooling together.
The chocolates enter the longest and coldest cooling tunnel on the production line. Here, the outer nutty shell completely solidifies into a crisp, stable finish. Emerging from the cold tunnel, the finished chocolates pass under high-speed digital cameras. Advanced software instantly rejects any pieces with an irregular shape or incomplete coating. Before moving to the packaging department, every single chocolate goes through an industrial metal detector and X-ray scanner to guarantee complete consumer safety. The cleared chocolates travel seamlessly on high-speed belts toward the packaging hall. Here, automated robotic arms align them perfectly for the individual wrapping process.
The wrapped spheres pass through a crimping station. Soft rubber rollers gently twist and press the base of the foil, locking it securely in place without damaging the chocolate.
Simultaneously, stacks of brown fluted paper cups are loaded. A vacuum nozzle pulls one cup and places it on a track.
A tiny microdrop of food-safe adhesive is applied. The gold-wrapped chocolate is firmly pressed into the cup.
The candies move beneath an automated labeling arm. A precision stamp applies the iconic oval logo sticker. The chocolates are fed into a mechanical collator. Robotic arms group and lower them into trays. Once the tray is full, the clear acrylic upper lid is lowered into place. Automated pneumatic presses push the lid down firmly, snapping it securely onto the base. The assembled clear boxes pass through a final tape machine. A transparent tamper-evident seal is applied across the opening, ensuring the product remains untouched until purchased. A high-speed laser printer etches the production code and expiration date onto each sealed box. The plastic boxes are conveyed into an automated case packer. Mechanical pushers group them and slide them into pre-folded cardboard shipping cartons. These master cartons move through an automated case sealer. Top and bottom flaps are mechanically folded tight and sealed with heavy-duty packaging tape. Every finished case rolls over a dynamic checkwager. This ensures the exact weight is met, confirming that absolutely no individual chocolates are missing. At the end of the line, heavy-duty robotic arms lift the cardboard cases. They stack them onto standard wooden pallets in a precise interlocking pattern. An automated wrapping machine spins a continuous web of tight plastic film around the stacked pallet, securing the heavy load for safe transport. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, smoothly lift the finished pallets. They navigate the factory floor autonomously to deliver the product directly to storage. The pallets arrive in a massive, climate-controlled high-bay warehouse. Automated cranes place them on towering racks, keeping the delicate chocolate perfectly cool and fresh. When orders are ready, workers use forklifts to move the wrapped pallets from the warehouse directly into waiting refrigerated shipping trucks. With the doors sealed and temperatures locked, the trucks depart the facility, ready to deliver these premium chocolates to stores around the world.